Hi guys, today is your friend Hamza, and I got a new car. You remember that channel, my car crashed? So now I got a new car, and that means I'm going to show you what's inside, but first I'm going to show you the outside. So the first thing, you see this big tire? It's really ginormous, and it's really powered up. So, and now, I'm going to show you what number it costs. Look, come with me. Look what number it costs. Come over here. This is the car, and this is its number. This is how much you have to pay, and this is what this thing costs. Now, let's go inside. Come on. You see this? It's so beautiful inside. Let me move a little bit. You see how it's beautiful? You can see my car. Now I got a new car. But now let's go to the front. First I'm going to show you this side of the front, and don't look in the other side. So because now look at this part of it. Look at this seat my mom sits, and this is very beautiful and it's so cool. But now let's go where my dad drives. Come on. And you see this? This is the part what it says, and this is the end, and this is where the store comes, the store it has to be. And now let's go to the side. Come on. Look at where my dad sits. This is where my dad sits. This is the go, and this is the stop. So basically, you can see this handle, you can see the twist, you can see the GPS, and you can see this. And you can see the buckle right here. You can see this, and this is the new car. And look at this sign. Look what it says. That's what it says, and I'm going to show you in the back. Let's go to the back. It's time to open the back. Here goes nothing. But first thing first, wait right over here. Wait right over here. This is the trunk, and I hope you like my videos, and see you next time. Bye. Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a cool car.
Yeah?
This is more cool than my black car.
Oh, okay. So you wanna change with your black car?
I want to change, but I like the AC, the guy changed, but this is bad.
Okay, चलो
Better.
sit down. अब घर जाके देखना उसके फीचर. चलो.